Welcome back to the channel. In our next unboxing, we've got a sci-fi unboxing, and well timed, as these are the Ornithopters from the movie series Dune, and the second one is coming out at the time of this recording within a couple of days, so very timely for this. Then we have the Atreides Ornithopter and the Harkonnen Ornithopter. These are from Meng. They don't list a scale. They're like mini kits, similar to the Bandai Star Wars mini kits. So we'll go through each one, and we'll show you what's involved. We'll start with the Atreides one. So you've got your standard nice bit of cover art showing you how it looks, how you can display it flying or with its landing gear down and the wings folded back. And unlike the Bandai one, the instructions, instead of being on the inside of the box, are on the outside. As you can see, very low part count, only 4 steps. So we will go through and we'll have a look and see what's in here. So I took the sprues out of the baggie. They were all in one baggie. And this is really all you get. So we'll start with the decal sheet. Very basic, just some logos and to decal up the cockpit windows, or you could paint them yourself. That's what they look like. And then we'll go through the sprues. So the first one is, I'll put it sideways, the main body and the nose of the craft. Very nicely molded, as I said before. See that? Okay. Then we have the next sprue is all the other parts other than the wings, including the landing gear. Landing skids, landing pads, I guess we can say. And then we have the 2 sprues with the 8 wings, shall we say. I don't know if we call them wings or what, but again, the idea is they resemble dragonflies. So there's the detail there in the first set, and then the detail in the second set. I'll show you the back side as well. Again, fairly simple build. Some other reviewers have already said they build up very well. And then last but not least is similar to the Bandai, you get a base if you're going to display it flying, and you can set it up. It pretty well looks like the same pattern. So that is the Atreides Ornithopter. Then we have the Harkonnen one, and this one looks a little bit beefier to reflect, I guess, the house. Similar instructions on the back. And what's interesting about this one doesn't have a sprue A. I had to double check and make sure I wasn't missing anything, but it doesn't, just the way the labeling is. We start at sprue B, but we're actually going to start with the decals. Again, similar to the other one, a couple of logos and the cockpit windows. We have the base again, so you can put it in flying mode if you want. I haven't decided what I'm going to do. So then we have this sprue here, which consists of the nose and some landing gear. Like so. We have this sprue, which is the main body. It's very good. Then we have the sprue with the rest of the parts, the landing gear and all that stuff, etc. The attachment points for the wings as well. And then we have the actual wings. So and then last but not least is these ones. So yeah, these will, I think, build up to nice little display kits, perfect size. Like I say, similar to the Bandai. It'd be nice if other makers and sci-fi IP would allow more of their spacecraft to reflect the, to release these in this sort of scale. It's a nice fit, and you can easily put them together. So as I say, this is from Dune. They're under $20 at your favorite retailer from Meng. And there is another one, which is the Sandcrawler. I didn't get that one. It looks a bit like a space shuttle launch pad. But this is the Atreides and the Harkonnen Ornithopter from Meng. As always, don't forget to look up for full photo shots of the sprues, etc. on blackfire.ca. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And of course, you'll always find us talking about this and other model topics at the Scale Model Podcast. Thank you and be well.